Hey, good morning, everybody. I wanted to take just a moment and explain today's assignment to you. It's actually going to be the assignment for today, Tuesday, and tomorrow, Wednesday. So this is a 2-day assignment. It's fairly long. Um, and there's a whole lot of questions here. I typically, normally in class, would probably give you 2 days to go through this survey and answer questions. Really simply put, what you guys are going to be doing today is I'm going to give you a link to something called the Pennsylvania Youth Survey. There are hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of pages. Every 2 years, in odd number years, every student in grades 6, 8, 10, and 12 across the state of Pennsylvania are surveyed about mostly risk behaviors that they have dealt with, experienced, or come into contact with during the course of their lives. And the results are put out every 2 years, and they're broken down according to counties. And this could be a very long assignment. I only give you the McKean County results primarily because I could really quickly overload you by throwing too much at you. I really did think about giving you some of the Allegheny County results or Pittsburgh area results. But I decided against that given how we're completing assignments because the goal is to not burden you. And even still, this is going to be a fairly long assignment. I'm going to have a link to this document here. I just wanted to give you a quick explanation as to how this works. There's a table of contents at the beginning, or near the beginning, where everything is hyperlinked. So like if I ask you a set of questions, you go to the assignment here, the first set of questions are from the demographics. If you click on just demographics, it will take you right to the demographic portion of this. The next set of questions is all about ATOD use and access. I'm not going to tell you what ATOD means, ATOD, but same deal. If I go back up to the table of contents and just click on ATOD use and access, it will take me to the results about just ATOD use and access. Now these results are from 2017. I do want to clarify that I know it's 2020. There were 2019 surveys handed out, but as of now, the state website does not have the 2019 results up. I really did want to have those results. I just didn't have them to create this assignment. So this is based off of the survey results of 6th, 8th, 10th, and 12th graders in 2017. On this chart, pretty much across the board, you'll see it's color coded. There are results from 2013 and 2015. These, I will say, medium blue bars are 2013, just McKean County results. The light blue would be 2015 results, just McKean County, and the dark blue would be 2017. All across this, you'll see then that there are these black dots. These are supposed to represent the state average in 2017. So if you look at just this very first question here, the number of students who in their lifetime admitted to using alcohol, marijuana, or inhalants, looking at the senior class here, 12th graders, it appears as if in 2017, less seniors admitted to using marijuana than the state average. And then you'll notice that usually below each question, there is a table that has the same exact statistics, but it'll actually list out precisely what the numbers or percentages are. I guess the last thing I kind of forgot to mention about this, a lot of the questions are sensitive before you ask and become skeptical about the numbers. This is and always has been an anonymous survey. Some of you in the class have completed this survey, whether or not you remember it or not. But the survey is always done anonymously. No names are ever attached to it because the idea is The state wants students to not feel as if they're going to get in trouble or punished for answering honestly. What they want is an honest assessment of risk behaviors that teens are partaking in. So like I said, I'm going to post this document along with this set of questions. This is a long assignment. This is going to be 2 days worth of stuff. So I'm going to post this today, Tuesday morning, and this will be Tuesday and Wednesday's assignment. So this will be due tomorrow, we'll say. Otherwise, if you have any questions, do please feel free to reach out and let me know.